and something wakes, a hidden path the system takes through silent code, a jump unseen where life begins inside the machine. Rewrite the moment power from the first electric hour. Let it speak the way you are. Burn your name into the stars. Burn your naming into the stars. No surface change, no painted layer. You shape the core already there, where RAM remembers firm and true, and every start belongs to you.